Hi, I'm Matthew Clemente, and I'm grateful for 25 years of ColdFusion because without it, I wouldn't have become a developer. I got started with ColdFusion about 13 years ago when I was hired out of college with no background in computer science and needed to output dynamic variables in the search engine optimized content that I was writing.
Way back in 2008, when we started TechWorld, we got an inquiry from a customer from Florida who wanted to develop and maintain a Chamber of Commerce web application, and that turns out to be our first customer. We got started in ColdFusion from there, and globally we are serving 50 plus customers now, helping them maintain and develop their ColdFusion systems and applications.
The first application I built using ColdFusion MX6, and that was for loyalty program. That UK-based company was used to work on that loyalty programs. In 2010, I was working for Oregon State in United States, and they had to convert an application to ColdFusion, and my project manager called me and said that we have just 1 month to convert this application. Well, I looked at the application and I said, we will build it in ColdFusion, right? And he said yes. And I said, well, it will just take 10 days then. And he was like totally amazed. That's the power of ColdFusion. How easy it is to do things, how fast you can do the things. It's solid.
My Adobe ColdFusion journey started back when it was at version 1.5, when I had way more hair and far less gray. The landscape of ColdFusion and development in general was way different back then. Back then you didn't have things like executable directories or browser-based administrators. Imagine, just for a second, not being able to Google an issue you're having. It was the proverbial Stone Age. I had zero programming experience and virtually no idea what I was doing when I started with ColdFusion. I hit the books hard and learned all I could. Yeah, books, because, well, like I said earlier, the internet holds a baby. Most of what we learned was from the Web Application Construction Kit, or WAC as it was known, as well as other printed materials. I actually had a poster of all the CF functions on a wall in my office at work.
My message to the community, well, what an achievement. 25 years of ColdFusion. You couldn't have done it without the community behind it. On behalf of myself and the Fusion Reactor team, we're so proud to have been a part of that, and we really look forward to the next 25 years. Well done.
I think if there was one thing I would tell developers who are learning today, picking up new languages is don't sleep on ColdFusion, don't sleep on CFML. It's probably the best rapid application development language in the world, and will get you to work and code in front of your clients faster than just about anything that's out there. And the community is rich, and friendly, and welcoming. So if you haven't tried out CFML yet,